LackRack, LackRack, LackRack. This is an IKEA lack end table that has been converted into a rack mount end table. Now, I've seen online that most people have been putting wood screws to screw in their equipment on the sides, and I did not like that. So I just wanted to show you that it is possible to put rack rails to just screw them in on the sides here, and they hold. Now, it is a little bit tighter because there are rack rails, so really if I were to put gear in here, I couldn't just leave these blanks on. I'd have to take these blanks off, put the gear in kind of crooked, and then straighten it out, and then screw it down. I couldn't put rack mount equipment on the same spots where I screwed the rack rail down to the leg. So that's one thing, but hey, blanks, it works perfect for that. So besides that, the only other thing I did is after I put the rails on, I then just took a little drill bit and just went into each hole there, and now I can just put a regular standard 1032 rack screw and just go right into the rack rail, and since it threads into the rack rail, you're good to go. But yeah, this is the model of the IKEA lack end table that I used, and so far so good.